More U.S. schools are starting to teach students how to use AI responsibly. Teachers want students to understand that chatbots can make serious mistakes. An AI-generated map of the world was filled with bizarre errors. Generative AI can sometimes make up information that sounds completely believable. Students should always verify factual information generated by AI. AI literacy is about more than learning how to write good prompts. Students also need to know when they should not use AI. Schools are teaching students not to rely on AI for all the answers. Students should use analytical skills instead of simply accepting what a chatbot says. The goal is to prepare students for a future where AI will be part of everyday life.